In this video, I'm going to show you how to move photos from Google Photos to OneDrive quickly and safely, step by step. This is a simple method if you want to back up your pictures, free up space, or switch everything over to Microsoft OneDrive without losing your photos. The important thing to remember is that this process starts with downloading your photos from Google Photos first, and then uploading them into OneDrive. So if you're looking for an easy way to transfer your images, stay with me because I'll walk you through every step. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Google Photos in your browser. You can go to photos.google.com and sign in if you're not already logged into your Google account. Once you're inside Google Photos, take a moment to find the photos you want to move. You can select individual photos one by one, or if you need a larger batch, you can select multiple pictures at the same time. This is helpful if you're moving a whole trip, event, or album. After you've selected the photos, look for the three-dot menu, which is the More Options button. Click that menu and then choose Download. Google Photos will prepare the selected images and download them to your computer. Depending on how many photos you chose, this may take a few moments. When the download is complete, save the files to a folder you can find easily on your PC, such as Downloads or a desktop folder. It's a good idea to keep everything organized so the upload step is much smoother. Now that your photos are saved locally, open Microsoft OneDrive in a new tab. You can go to onedrive.live.com and sign in to your OneDrive account with the Microsoft email you want to use. If you have multiple Microsoft accounts, make sure you're logging into the correct one before continuing. Once OneDrive opens, navigate to the folder where you want your photos to be stored. You can upload them to your main folder, create a new folder for better organization, or place them in an existing album-style folder if that fits your workflow. After choosing the destination, click the Upload button. From the menu, choose Files if you're uploading individual photos, or Folder if you've placed the images into a full folder on your computer. Then browse to the downloaded photos, select them, and confirm the upload. OneDrive will begin transferring the files from your computer into the cloud. If you're uploading a lot of pictures, just stay patient and let the process finish completely. You'll usually see a progress indicator while the files are uploading, so make sure everything reaches 100% before closing the tab. Once the upload is done, your photos will now be stored in OneDrive and ready to access from any device. That means you can view them on your phone, your laptop, or any browser where you sign into your Microsoft account. One important thing to keep in mind is that this method copies your photos into OneDrive rather than automatically moving them directly between the services in one click. So if your goal is a true transfer, make sure you've confirmed the files are safely uploaded before deleting anything from Google Photos. That way, you always have a backup in both places until you're confident everything worked correctly. This is the safest way to handle the move, especially if the photos are important or irreplaceable. And that's it. You've now learned how to move photos from Google Photos to OneDrive using a simple download and upload method. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.